Hey guys, it's Lily,
And Como.
and today we are going to be again building in the humongous glitch that we made on top of Komo's tiny home.
And yes, this is a tiny home and we extended it very far.
Yes, one day I just extended it with a lot of barriers, and then me and Como started decorating inside of it. So,
Lily, when you zoom out, it is so humongous.
oh yeah, but I can't zoom out too much, otherwise our viewers are gonna see everything. And so guys, remember, we're going to be doing a giveaway tour type of thing. So where we can friend you and we will give you a full tour of what we have so far in this glitch.
We'll probably be finished by the time any of you get the tour, but for now, this is what we have.
Yep.
On that third floor.
So I made this like little unicorn thing, I guess, because I didn't know what else to put, because this is our like bedroom floor. Como made this really cool window out of glass barriers, and she started working on this bathroom.
I'm working on it. I'm not finished.
It's so cute.
Do you think I should change the color of these bricks?
I think they're fine, honestly. Pink is beautiful. And so we have our beds right over here, double modern beds. A little seating area that we might change later on in the future because we didn't know where to, what to put there. And I'm making a little guest bedroom in here that, I just thought would be pretty cool, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, let's go back to building. So, yeah. The theme that I'm kind of going for with this room, this guest bedroom, is kind of like a little Scandinavian type of theme, I guess. Or maybe modern, I don't know.
What do you mean Scandinavian?
It's like this thing that I find on YouTube, and it says Scandinavian, and there's like peaches, grays, whites, penguin lamps. So, yeah. Good times, people. Good times.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna turn off this penguin lamp just for now. Why can't I turn it off? Oh, probably because this is Como's house. Como!
Yeah?
Come. You need to turn off this penguin lamp for me. I can't turn it off because it's your house. Thank you.
You only can if you go out of edit mode.
I am out of edit mode.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Bye.
Sorry.
Okay. Rugs. I like rugs. They're beautiful. Rugs.
Oh, I totally forgot rugs. You know my favorite rug?
What's your favorite rug?
The deluxe rug.
My favorite is the deluxe rug too, except I feel like we use the deluxe rug so much, so I'm using the square rug in this room, just for now. So,
Let me see if I like any of the other rugs. Let's see if I can change this one up too.
that rug looks pretty cute. And then
That rug is too much. Yeah, I think I'll use the square rug too, because I feel like if we use it so much, it's gonna become so common, and then it won't look that good with so many.
Yeah, and I don't really like the striped rug, just my opinion, because I feel like the stripes are a little gray, even whenever you color it. So yeah, I don't really.
I feel like they're too striped.
Yeah, me too.
Like over striped. Like the deluxe rug is like medium striped, and then that one is too striped.
Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna do something like this because I just like these mirrors, these circular mirrors, circular vanity mirror things. They're so cute. And then what I like to do is I like to add a basic rug over it. You guys will see what I'm trying to show you. And see like the lights show up of the outline. And you just color the rug, and wow, it's so beautiful. I love it.
You know, I don't know what you're talking about because I'm not in the room.
Yeah, I know. Wow, that looks beautiful. I love it. Okay, Como, come TP or teleport. I guess. Just come on.
Coming.
Ta-da!
Ooh.
You know how to do that, though.
Yeah, I know how to do that.
Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. So.
Did I get the cabinet? Oh, I got the cabinet. I got the cabinet instead of the
What? The counters. Yeah, I kind of make that mistake sometimes. I'm just about to use the counter right now. I like these. These are cute. Why? Is it not showing up?
For some reason I can't find the kitchen. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, fine.
Let me go into large grid size.
Sorry.
And put that. I love Adopt Me's like furniture and everything. It's so pretty. And they have like such a huge variety of stuff.
Right.
They even have cauldrons with like actual potions that you can. It's just so cool. The one thing that I'm so sad about is that from 2019, they didn't save the Christmas furniture, like the Christmas tree. And
They did what?
2019, they had a Christmas tree in the furniture. And once the Christmas update was over in 2019, they took it away. And for 2021, yeah, and for 2020, there was no Christmas tree at all. I was like so sad about that. Yeah. And it's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little mirror here because I think they're cute. And then I said mirror because they look kind of like windows.
Yeah, they're so cute. I love using those.
The mirrors, yeah.
Mirrors, yeah, they're so
Cute. Actually, instead of adding like an office chair there, I think I might actually add a TV instead.
Office chair?
You'll see.
Yeah, I know what an office chair is, Lily.
Yes, I know, but I'm not gonna add an office chair anymore. You'll see what I'm gonna do, Como.
I don't know what else to add in here.
That's sad.
Oh, I forgot the mirror. Oh my god.
You have to have a mirror in a bathroom.
Oh, I have to put the vanity mirror over here.
What?
The vanity mirror?
I don't know what you're talking about, except I do know what you're talking about, except I don't know what you're gonna do with it. So, continue.
I'm just gonna put it over here. That looks cute. And then I'll put the big mirror over here.
I don't know what she's talking about.
Okay. Maybe something.
You guys might be a little confused on what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make like this little kind of TV stand, I guess, for a TV that I'm going to put in this guest bedroom.
Now, I don't know what you're talking about. Yay.
Yeah. This is awkward.
Very.
Awkward.
Do you think this is the time?
What? Oh, no, not the time. You guys don't know what we're talking about.
No, I don't even make sense myself. I don't know what to say, so I just said something. And that was so cute. Come over here now, I'm done.
Okay, wait. I need to put the last finishing touch. It's beautiful. No, not yet. Don't come in. Okay, we're gonna go inside. No, stop, Como. We're gonna go inside each of our things on 3. So go inside mine on 3. And okay, not yet. 3,
Yes, I know.
2, 1, go. Guys, look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh.
You were going for like a gray?
Yes, gray and peach, kind of. This is so pretty. Guys, look at how pretty she made the top. And a mirror wall.
Oh, I forgot to put something on the side. What do you think I should put? Oh, I should put an open book.
Oh, how about candles? There's these really pretty candles that I like. I don't know what they're called. Here, let me show you.
Do you just search up candle, then it'll come?
Yeah, they're called large and small candlesticks. Whoa, yeah, not those. Those are, I mean, I like them, but they're a bit,
Oh.
we put them everywhere.
I don't really like that one. I like this one.
It goes with the two. There, that looks better.
Wait, let me move this to the front.
I feel like we put the magic candles like literally everywhere. Like if you guys saw, we did put them everywhere because they're super. Let's put these. Wait. Como. I have an idea. Como. And then we're gonna put that right there.
What are you?
They're perfect. It's perfect.
Oh, there.
It's perfect. I'm not. It's just perfect.
Maybe we should put it like this so they can read while they're,
Oh,
like that?
yeah. That looks so cute. Okay, this is cute. I like it.
I like yours. I think this is a little empty.
Yeah, like the middle.
So maybe we should decorate that a little bit right now.
Yeah, what can we put in the middle? Oh,
Rug.
we already put a rug here.
Yeah, but like.
Oh. Oh, how about I've seen so many YouTubers do this type of thing. I don't know what they're called poofies thingies.
Poofies? What?
Yeah, flowers. Cute. Wait, no, put them there. Put them there.
Yeah, that's actually a better idea.
I like it. I like it.
Do you think that's it?
Oops, 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so that's all we had time for today. So we hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget about our
Don't forget about the giveaway tour thing in our joint goods build that we're gonna be giving a tour of to a person that subscribes, likes, comments, download username, and turns on post notifications.
That was
Very bad.
no, that wasn't bad, but yeah, that's all we had time for today. We hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.
Bye.